Your factory paint proves that your car has not been in an accident. This video is created to help you understand the value of paintless dent repair and whether or not Dent Shop is the right solution for you. Our repair process restores your vehicle's metal to its original shape without having to repaint your car. This is the least invasive and fastest possible repair that exists today. We avoid poor fit, finish, color match, and do not generate a vehicle history report. There is no public record of the damage ever happening. Don't let the dealership make you a lowball offer because your car was repainted. The advancement of tools, technology, and Dent Shop training has allowed us to repair more complex damage while eliminating the need to repaint your vehicle like you may have had to do in the past. Because we fix a lot of large and complex dents, our customers file an insurance claim. We've noticed that many times the insurance company can try to persuade their customers to use a shop in their network. They do this to save money. You'll hear that they're required to do the most cost-effective repair, which really means the cheapest. This can sometimes include aftermarket or even used parts. They will also talk about their lifetime guarantee as a way of getting you to question the quality of other shops. But the truth is that most reputable shops will guarantee their work, and we do too. At Dent Shop, we want to make sure we are the right fit for you. If repainting your car in diminished value is not a concern to you, then a conventional repair will probably be acceptable. But if your goal is to maintain the value of your vehicle without having to deal with potential long repair times, poor fit, finish, or color match, then Dent Shop is your answer. Thanks for watching.